Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I talked to you guys about how I went natural without doing the big chop. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about 3 things I feel like you should know before you decide to go natural. Being natural is all fun and games until you're actually natural. For starters, there are a lot of products. There's shampoo, there's conditioner, there's leave-in conditioner, there's deep conditioner, there's stylers, there's gels, there's oils, there's hair masks. And usually all of those products are in one wash and go. Before I went natural, it was just shampoo, conditioner, styler, gel. That's it. And with all of those products comes spending a lot of money on those products. Honestly, if you can make a savings account just for your hair products, I will tell you to do it. If I could get a tax return on the products that I buy throughout the year, I would be rich. Hair products are literally a whole nother bill for the month. And since you're spending so much money because you have to get so many products, you're going to spend so much time on your hair. Ask anyone who is natural and they will tell you that wash day is literally a wash day. I mentioned in my last video how it takes me over an hour just to wash, condition, detangle, and style my hair. That's not even counting drying time. If you do decide to go natural, please just keep these 3 things in mind so it all doesn't just hit you like a ton of bricks. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to let me know that you enjoy watching these videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!